Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is a juicy one. We're going to be talking about differences between crushes and love. Now, I know many of us have been in a situation where we have met someone new and we can't quite tell if what we're feeling is a crush or if it's something more. It can be confusing, so I've put together 11 key differences to help you figure out what you're really feeling. Number 1. Time. A crush is usually short-lived, lasting only a few weeks or months, whereas love is a long-term commitment that can last a lifetime. Number 2. Intensity. Crushes are often intense and all-consuming, while love is more stable and consistent. Number 3. Focus. Where you have a crush, you tend to focus on the physical attraction and surface level qualities of the person. But when you're in love, you see the person as a whole and appreciate them for who they are. Number 4. Selflessness. Love often involves selflessness and putting the other person's needs before your own, while crushes tend to be more self-focused. Number 5. Trust. Trust is a crucial component of love, whereas crushes often involve a sense of insecurity. Number 6. Acceptance. In love, you accept the person for who they are, flaws and all, while crushes often involve putting the other person on a pedestal and idolizing them. Number 7. Communication. Love requires open and honest communication, while crushes can often involve more surface-level conversations. Number 8. Commitment. Love involves a commitment to the other person and a willingness to work through challenges and difficult times, while crushes are often fleeting and don't involve that level of commitment. Number 9. Growth. Love often involves personal growth and development, while crushes don't typically lead to that level of self-improvement. Number 10. Sacrifice. In love, you're willing to make sacrifices for the other person's happiness, while in a crush you may not be as willing to do so. Number 11. Depth. Love is a deep, profound emotion that involves a strong emotional connection, while crushes are often more superficial. So there you have it, 11 key differences between crushes and love. While crushes can be fun and exciting, love is ultimately more fulfilling and rewarding. If you're not sure what you're feeling, take some time to reflect on these differences and see where your emotions fall. Please check the description below for the links and resources related to the topic that could be helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more psychology and relationship content.